This is the reminder video for All of Me by John Legend. Feel free to practice along with the practice video also uploaded to this channel. This arrangement is a little bit simplified from the original one, and it just does some small sections of the song. We are going to start with an intro which sounds exactly like the original song. In our left hand, we are going to be playing 4 notes for the first intro and verse. Those 4 notes are E, C, G, D. We do that pattern 2 times for the intro before the singing comes in. At the same time, the right hand is playing 2 notes at a time based on those patterns. So the first one is E and B together. The next, we play E and C together by raising our pinky up to C. Then we have G and B together. And then D and A together. And we're going to play those in this pattern. E and B, C and E, G and B, D and A. Now let's add the left hand in. When we're playing E and B, our left hand plays E. When we're playing C and E, our left hand plays C. G and B, right hand or left hand plays G. And D and A, left hand plays D. And we're going to play the left hand note just 1 time each, and the right hand will play that rhythm. So it'll sound like this. And one more time. E, C, G, D. That's the whole intro. And after you do that 2 times, then we go into the first verse, which does the same pattern. It'll sound like this. What could I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. And in the first verse, we repeat that whole pattern 4 times. After the last D, we go into the bridge into the chorus, which sounds like this. But I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. So at this point, the single notes are switching into our right hand. The 3 chords that we play in this bridge are A, G, and D. Our left hand is going to play those as broken chords. So the A will be A, C, E, A. And we'll play that 4 times. A, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to G and we do that 2 times. G will be G, B, D, G. So that's G, B, D, G. Good. And then we go to D major. So that's D, F sharp, A, right hand D. We do that 2 times as well. 2. And then we repeat that all again. A 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to G, 2, D, 2. And then we're going to go into the chorus. The chorus uses that same pattern, we just have a new set of chords. We're going to do G again. We also have E minor, which is E, G, B, E. A again. And then C, which is C, E, G, C, and D major. And the number of times we play each of those is G 4 times. 2, 3, 4. E 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Up to A. 2, 3, 4. C 2 times. 2, D, 2. And then we repeat that all 1 more time, exactly like that. And that's going to be for this all of me loves all of you, loves your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. And that leads us to the end of the chorus, which is the "'cause you give me all of me, and I give me all of you." Oh. And for that part, I like to do that same pattern with the left hand broken chords and the right hand single notes. I just repeat it once and hold that right hand single note rather than repeating it multiple times. The chords in that section are E, C, G, and D. And then you repeat that one more time. And then after that, I like to go back and repeat the whole chorus since I'm not doing the second verse. You can see exactly how this whole arrangement fits together in the practice video, which I'll link below. Have fun.